Buredek. Say, that's our Ilocano word, everyone. Buredek, 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 dek. Don't sleep yet, Hiro. You have to help Tita with Ilocano WOTD. Oh boy, Lola.
Oh, did I take a shower?
Oh boy, I did.
Huh? Baby? Oh,
The buridek. The buridek.
Oh.
Daytoy buridek, hampay nga nagdigos. Our Ilocano WOTD is...
Buredek.
Buredek. Buredek means the youngest amongst siblings. O sa Tagalog ay bunso. Bunso sa Tagalog. Buredek. Buredek. That's all. That's just a short video. Are you gonna go? Are you gonna go? I love you. That's all, everyone. That's all, everyone. That's all, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day.